ಸಂಸಾರದಾವ ನಲಲಿದ ಲೋಕ ತ್ರಾಣಯ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯಘನ ಘನತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಸ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಾರ್ಣವಸ್ಯಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud, giving us soothing waters of Krishna. Shri Guru is like this medicine that takes away the blindness of eyes, where you can see the light. So it's Guru that gives us Krishna. Krishna is already there. But that person who is making us see the presence of Krishna, giving us darshan of Krishna, is a Sadhguru. And one thing is, the Guru Tattva is like this. Whatever part that takes us closer to Bhagavan, whatever mood that takes us closer to Bhagavan, whatever deed that takes us closer to Bhagavan, the inspiration that comes from within, that takes us closer to Bhagavan, that keeps us with Bhagavan, the strength that's needed from within to keep us with Bhagavan in the service of Bhagavan, the strength that is given to us to be in the service of Bhagavan, everything is Guru. Sandhini Shakti. Sandhini Shakti is always assuring, is always enlivening. So all that we perceive from within and see from outside, that is enlivening and assuring and soothing, all this is the Sandhini Shakti. Srimad Urjitameva va. It's beautiful, it's glorious. That's Sandhini Shakti. Sometimes the mind limits us. Our conditioning limits our understanding of this Tattva. Guru Tattva, Sandhini Shakti from Bhagavan. Words, conditioning, everything, sometimes they may be limiting. But the experience cannot deny the existence of a fact. Oh, this is soothing. Oh, this is assuring. Oh, this is enlivening. Oh, this is life-giving. No, it is the Sandhini Shakti of Bhagavan. Srimad Urjitameva va. It's beautiful. It's glorious. So, Guru Tattva is like that. Mahaprabhu Kirtan Nritya Geetam Vaditramarchan Manasurasenam Romanchakam Shritaranga Bhajam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Vigraharadhana Nityananam Shringaratan Mandiramarchanadam Yuktasya Bhaktamscha Niyunjatopi Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Chaturvida Shrim Bhagavad Prasadam Swatanna Triptam Haribhaktya Sangam Kritvaiva Triptim Bhajatat Sadaivam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Radhika Madhavayorapayor Madhurya Leela Gunarupanamnam Pratikshana Swadanalolupasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Nikunjayono Radhikeli Sithai Yayali Bir Yukti Rapekshaniya तत्रातिदक्षा ततिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् दाक्षाधरे त्वेन समस्तशास्त्रैः युक्तस्तदा भव्यतेन साद्भिः किन्तु प्रभूयं प्रियैव तस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. So this is Sandhini Shakti. This is Shri Guru, personification of the Sandhini Shakti. Oh, the glory. The glory of this personality, the personification of Sandhini Shakti. It is said that there are two features of Bhagavan that are present in this material world, almost the direct presence. One is the Nama form of Bhagavan, and the other one is Acharya Bhagavan. Two most potent and attractive features of Bhagavan is Nama Bhagavan, Acharya Bhagavan. Why not? Shri Madhurjitameva va. The personification of that is Shri Guru. So he's always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan, Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. Every moment he's relishing and the presence of Bhagavan, a loving service to Bhagavan, relishing the Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan because he's with Bhagavan. And he's Radhika Presaki, he's Krishna's Kripa Shri Murti, a personification of mercy of Bhagavan, who is Shri Madhurjitameva, was certainly beautiful, certainly glorious. And all the mercy of Bhagavan is coming through the mercy of Shri Guru. This is Guru Tattva. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charanam Padamam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamuye Savadhana Mate Jahara Prasade Bai Ebhavatoriya Jahan Krishna Prapti Hoi Jahan Hoite. So Krishna Prapti happens like this through Shri Guru, who is a personification of the Sandhini Shakti that is giving Bhagavan. Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitete Koriyaikyam Aranam Kuriho Mani Asha. What other desire will be there? Just to have the words. The words, the instructions that are coming from the Gurumukha Padma. Staying in the chitta, that's all. Then Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttama Gati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha Chakshudan Dilo Jai Janme Janme Prabhu Se Divya Gnan Hriday Prakashito. Yes, this is how Divya Gnan Hriday Prakashito. The one who makes that Divya Jnana Prakashito in the Hridaya is Shri Guru. Bhagavan is there, but who is giving the darshan of Bhagavan? That's Shri Guru. Who illuminates us from within? That is Sandhini Shakti. Who enlivens us from within? That's Sandhini Shakti. Who strengthens us from within? That's Sandhini Shakti. Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate. Who is giving that love of Godhead in the heart is Sandhini Shakti Shri Guru. That's why Vedagaya Haracharita. Vedas extol the glories of Shri Guru. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Jannara Bandhu Lokanad Lokera Jivana Ha Prabhu Koro Daya De Hamore Pada Chayam E Bijash Kushutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoyilo Sharanam Jaya Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupadam Srila Prabhupadam Jaya Gurudevam Jaya Gurudevam Jaya Gurudevam Jaya Gurudevam. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Guru is, gravity. Gravity. Heavy gravity. See, that thing that causes gravity within us, that thing that illuminates us, causes gravity within us, fills us with gravity. This is all Guru. This is Sandhini Shakti. That's Sandhini Shakti. Yeah, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are very dear to Bhagavan. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas and taking the dust from the lotus feet of Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama Dhanamora Nityananda Patimora Gaura Chandra Pranamora Yugala Kishora Vrindaya Tulsi Devyaya Priyaya Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. The groves of Vrindavana, land of divine love. The land of divine love. And that entry happens after the heart is illuminated and there is darshan of Bhagavan by Sri Guru. And not only darshan of Bhagavan, but there is prema for this Bhagavan. Prema bhakti jaha hoite avidya vinasha jate. So Sri Guru does this all for the jiva, gives the darshan of Bhagavan, and then fills the heart with prema for Bhagavan. What is it that Sandhini Shakti does not do for the jiva? And then brings here to this groves of Vrindavana. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaham Radha Krishna Seva Pao Ye Abhilashi Ito Maharaj Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tare Vrindavana Vasi Muraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diovas Nayani Hari Bosadam Yukalaruparasi Aini Vedana Dharam Sakhiranugata Kurum Sevadhikarudiyam Kurum Chatasi Dina Krishna Dase Hoi Eyena Mora Hoi Shri Radha Govinda Prem Sadayena Basi. Vrinda Devi, I've taken shelter of you very kindly. Fill my vision with the darshan of Sri Radha Govinda. And please engage me in Sakiranugatya Siva and fill my heart with love for Sri Radha Govinda. The same thing has happened to Prahlad Maharaj, right? And to Dhruva. Yo antah pravishya mama vachamimam prasuptam sanjeevayati akhila shaktidhara swadamna anyamscha hastacharana shravanatvagadin pranannamo bhagavate purushaya tubhyam. Dhruva, forget about seeing Bhagavan. He was hissing like a snake. He was hissing like a snake and was so upset that he couldn't sit on the lap of his father. Just with Sri Narada Muni's instruction, you go to Madhuvan and you take this mantra and you do the tapasya like this. Bhagavan will come. Narada Muni made the darshan of Bhagavan possible for Dhruv Maharaj. So it's Narada Muni that gave the darshan of Bhagavan to Dhruv Maharaj. Like that, it's the Sandhini Shakti that makes possible for Jiva to have darshan of Bhagavan. Sri Guru, personification of that Sandhini Shakti, giving us darshan of Bhagavan. Same thing with the Nama.